Adding a video to PowerPoint is really easy. Here we are using PowerPoint 2007, but if you use a previous version like 2003, it's as easy, but all you have to do is maybe dig a bit deeper to find the options. Now to add the video, we go to the slide, click on Insert, click on the Movie button, and browse for the video file. In my case, it's the Burn After Reading trailer. Now PowerPoint is giving us two options, whether to run the video automatically or to run it when clicking on it. We are going to select the automatic option. By the way, you can change the video size within the slide. Position, of course. Now to run it on full screen, click twice on the video file, and here we see the Options tab. Check mark Reproduce on full screen, and then change the volume of the video to high. This might be better because different computers might reproduce the video on a low volume level, so from the presentation itself it helps to improve the quality of the video volume. Now we have embedded successfully a video file to a PowerPoint presentation. But the second part of this tutorial is as important as the first part, because sometimes you see a presentation and the person who gives the presentation opens a PPT file, or maybe in case of 2007 a PPTX file, and it opens in this editing mode, and what the presenter has to do is clicking here on this presentation button, and it really does not look really good. So what do we have to do to make the PowerPoint presentation good looking? So all we have to do is save our presentation, select Save As, and as a presentation, as a self-running presentation, which means when you save it, your presentation is going to open directly. So let's save it as presentation, but in order to increase our compatibility, we're going to select the 2003 file type. So let's change it here. I just write this for you to understand it, and save it. Now we can see in our folder, well, I have the video file already in this folder, but I'm going to show you how to manage it if you have several video files in different locations, to pack them in only one folder. But now you see the PPS file created, and what you have to do is just click twice on the icon and it's going to open directly in the presentation mode. So let's go back to PowerPoint. Let me show you how to pack your presentation with all the files in only one folder. Just click on Publish and here on Pack CD, and then click on Options, and you might decide, well, if you want the PowerPoint viewer installed, then okay, let it checked like it is, but if not, just include the files, the video files and the presentation file. And of course important is this check mark here, which will pack all the linked video files to the folder. By the way, this option is if you want to add special fonts you use in your presentation too. So click OK, and then copy to folder. And let's give the folder name example1, and let's go to the place where you want the folder created. In my case it's the same folder as example, select. OK. The program is asking again if you want to add all the video files which are linked to this PowerPoint presentation. Of course we want. When it's finished, click close. And as you see, here is a new folder named example1, and inside is the video file and the PPS document. When you follow these steps, your presentation is going to look really professional, and that is what matters to make a good positioning of your company on your target audience.